Hello guys and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial we're gonna look at how to do the cartoon face on Capcut. Now let's begin. Let's open the Capcut app on your mobile device and create a new project. Now I'm gonna select this image and simply hit on add. Now that the image has been added to the project, I want to create a duplicate to see the changes. Let's click on the image. And on the bottom, if I scroll over, I will find something like duplicate. Here is the duplicate button. Let's click on it. And another copy of the image has been created. Now let's click on the copy of the image and click on this style button. It looks like a cube. Let's click on it. Now what we need to do is scroll over to this portrait tab. Let's click on it, and as you can see there are lots of effects here like classic cartoon, 3D cartoon. Let's try whichever one of these. Let's try this cartoon one, or you can also try the 3D cartoon or the cartoon classic. And that's the gist of it, guys. There are lots of portrait options for doing this cartoonish type of images. There is also the image of anime. Let's click on it. Comics. And that's it, guys. That's how you would do the cartoon face on Capcut. For any queries, do comment below. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more videos like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.